Hey y'all, and welcome to this video. So as y'all see, this is how I'm gonna be looking by the end of this video. I have to rush this intro because I filmed this intro when I was finished and they're waiting on me and we have to go. So yeah. My spoolie is so nasty. Don't judge me, okay? I'm putting gel on my eyebrows because they need to be tamed, and my eyebrows are never really tamed unless I put gel on it. But I do want to try to get my eyebrows waxed or threaded. I used to get them waxed and then I went to threading and then I stopped going. But I do want to start back. I'm looking over here because my mirror is right here and I can't really place y'all right there because my tripod is not gonna fit right there. I'm no pro at makeup, y'all, whatsoever. Oh my gosh. One thing I realized about me within the past month, I've realized I'm actually very clumsy, and I never realized how clumsy I was, but I really am. I like to use this NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. This is what it is. And then I use an angled brush. I like to get up close to the mirror just to do my eyebrows. Sometimes I'll pull it up, but oh, y'all can't even see that. Okay. Sometimes I'll pull my brow up or something. I don't know. I feel like it helps. Probably in my head though. I start off with the end and then go inward. And when I go to the middle part, I'm light on it and then I do like little brush strokes upward. Kinda at an angle though. Typically this one gives me such a hard time and this one doesn't. My eyebrows are looking like cousins, literally distant cousins sometimes. It didn't give me that much trouble today. And I use the matte concealer Studio Fix in the shade NC45. And then I take this brush right here. Oh, it looks so dirty. Now I'm gonna take this setting spray. I just use any setting spray, to be honest. I don't really have a specific one, but this is the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. Do I spray too much? I probably do. I'm gonna use my Milk Hydro Primer, and I love this primer. So I'm gonna see how it is letting it sit. I've seen people just let their concealer sit, but I'm gonna do it just for one eye just because if I don't like it, I don't want to do it for both. Okay, it's not bad letting it sit, but I'm gonna see if I like it better with my normal way I do it. So I have this MAC highlight and I use Gold Deposit. I've had this for so long. People say makeup expires, and I've had this makeup for over 2 years, I'm pretty sure. And if that's the case, I know good and well that this right here is expired, but I just want to use it till it's all gone. Is that so wrong? So I like to put it on my nose and on my cheeks. I act as if this is blush. Actually, I have blush, but I don't even like using it. I just don't like the way it made me look. I feel like I was not cute with it on. One thing about me, I love a good vanilla scent. Everywhere that I go, I typically really like to smell like vanilla. I have this Warm Vanilla Sugar body lotion and this Bare Vanilla lotion, Bare Vanilla spray, or the Choco Musk spray. I feel like because I have the spray for this one, I should use this one because I actually don't have the spray for the Warm Vanilla Sugar right now. Yeah, we gonna use this one. I got it for Christmas. It was on my list. Putting this on my dry legs, I'm not even gonna front. I do not be putting lotion on in the winter for real, just cause it's cold outside. When I finish putting my lotion on, I'm gonna come back to y'all. Okay, so this is the dress I'm wearing. I had 2 other dresses I was choosing from, but I decided on this one right here. It's so cute. I love the brown, the silkiness, and it drops down in the front right there. In the back, I do believe it's crisscross. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Here's the dress. Isn't it so cute? Definitely gonna need some tape because they are busting through. Giving very much hourglass. I'm gonna give y'all a better view after I get finished. I need to put some of my Smell Good on my neck. When you come and give me a hug, you need to be able to smell this beautiful scent. I wish I had some glitter to Give me some razzle dazzle. What we're gonna do is do jewelry. Or no, should I do jewelry last? We need to do jewelry last because I really have to get started on my hair. So let's undo this together. Y'all don't know how long I've had that on for just to get this melted. Look, I'm gonna do like a little curl, like a loose, cute curl maybe. When I first got this hair, the curls were so cute, but the only thing is I don't really know how to curl hair for real, and I definitely for sure don't know how to curl it how they had it curled. No, I think I'm gonna do some jewelry first. These was in my mom's closet right here. I really don't have a lot of jewelry, which is not good. Jewelry for me like kind of makes an outfit. That's really cherry on top. The only thing about bangles is they never fit my arms. This would be looking like. Does this look weird? Like, I don't want it to look so big, so like, does this look weird? Push another one on this side up like this. Or is this gonna cut my circulation off? Like, does this look weird? I'm trying to go for a classy feel, but I feel like I'm looking like a warrior. Let's see the necklace. I'm thinking this necklace, if not this necklace. Then we're gonna see the other necklaces I have. Here's this one. Let me go check it out in like the mirror or something. Okay, so I checked in the bathroom. I actually really like the bangles. I'm gonna keep them on, even though they're a little big. I wish I had some rings. I did have one, but it wasn't a real ring, so it's rusted and everything now. I'm gonna see how my other one looks, the one that I can layer, and see if that one looks better. Just saw I had a watch. Will the watch look weird since I got all these on, or no? I'm gonna check in the mirror, but it probably is gonna look weird. And actually, before I even get to the other necklaces, I have so many earrings to choose from, but I think that the earrings that I want to really go with are these right here. They're so simplistic, but so cute. I got these ones too. I might fill them more than I do the other ones. I'm kind of liking the little ones, but I have to look in the mirror because I can't really see. If I don't got my glasses on, done for like not seeing what is in my view. Here's this layered one. I'm about to go see in the mirror if I should do this one or the other one. And then I'm gonna take my earrings in there as well to see about the earrings that I'm gonna do as well so I can actually see. I decided on these earrings, this necklace, these bangles, not bedangles. And I'm gonna wear my anklet. Everything is coming together. We're gonna do our lip combo really fast, even though I should do my hair right now. I love a good glossy lip. I need to curl my hair. So as that's heating up, I think this is the bag I'm gonna wear. It's a cream Coach bag. I got this for Christmas as well. If you see my shoes, they're like a nude heel. They're not like high because I don't want too high of a heel. So I think I'm gonna do this. Really don't have any other purse, so I feel good. Like I feel like I look good. I don't know if I'm for real gonna be able to curl my hair because it's late and we gonna have to leave very, very, very soon. But I'm gonna see what I can do. I should have started this earlier. Like I always do this to myself. I start stuff so late because I think I'm gonna be ready by a certain time. Never. Like, why these curls looking like this? They look so raggedy. Like, what is that? Do y'all see it? That's so ugly. This kind of gonna have to be what it is, to be honest. Here's the perfume. I be drowning myself in this. Like I said, I'm not wearing anything high, just these clear kitten heels. So here's the dress, as y'all see, real cute. Here's the bangles, necklace, earrings. I did not do my lashes, eyebrows, makeup, hair. The bag, real cute. this concludes the video. I really have to rush through this outro because they are waiting on me. So I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in the next video.